Have you ever had the ability, the talent, the idea, but still didn't take action? Not because you couldn't, but because you doubted yourself. That silent voice in your head said, what if you fail? What if they laugh? What if you're not good enough? Today, we're gonna break that voice. Not just with motivation, Kira, but with understanding. Because confidence is not magic. It is psychology, it is habit, it is skill, and you can build it. Self-confidence is your belief in your ability to handle situations and challenges. It's not arrogance, it's not pretending, it's not thinking you're better than others, it is trusting yourself. And psychologists explain that confidence comes from two main things, competence and self-trust. It's not about knowing everything, it's about knowing you can learn anything. And that changes everything. No one is born insecure. Confidence decreases because of repeated criticism, fear of failure, comparing ourselves to others, and past mistakes. Your brain is designed to protect you from danger. But sometimes it treats embarrassment like danger. So when you want to speak up, start a business, post a video, like your brain says, stay safe, don't risk it. But growth never happens inside comfort. Fear is natural, staying stuck is a choice. Let's make this practical. Here's how you scientifically build confidence. I will show you 5 ways. The first, take small wins seriously. Every small achievement rewires your brain. Finish a task, complete a workout, learn a new skill. Small wins create evidence, and evidence builds belief. The second, control your self-talk. Your brain believes what you repeat. Instead of I always fail, say I'm improving. Instead of I'm not confident, say I'm building confidence. Language shapes identity. The third, improve your body language. Research shows posture affects confidence. Stand tall, make eye contact, speak clearly. When you change your body, you change your mindset. The fourth, prepare more than others. Confidence grows when preparation increases. If you fear public speaking, then practice. If you fear exams, then study deeply. If you fear business, research more. Remember, preparation reduces fear. The fifth, stop comparing your timeline. Comparison destroys confidence. Someone else's success does not mean your failure. It's just a different background, a different speed, a different journey. Focus on progress, not perfection. Confidence is not something you wait to feel. It is something you decide to act on. You don't wait to feel confident before taking action. You take action, feel, and confidence follows. Read that again. Action creates identity. When you act brave, you become brave. When you act disciplined, you become disciplined. Confidence is built through repeated courageous action. Imagine 1 year from now. If you start today, if you speak up, if you try, if you fail, Lord, and try again. The person you want to become is waiting on the other side of confidence, not perfection. Confidence. So today, decide, I may not be the best yet, but I am becoming better. Yeah. And that is powerful. So if this video helped you understand confidence in a new way, like this video, subscribe for weekly motivation and education, comment below, I am building confidence. Your future self will thank you.